Okay.
What are you trying to do at this stage?
I want to join the wood.
Okay.
Give me the mallet.
Take it. Take it.
Dingo. Wait. See, dingo.
So what are you trying to achieve here at this stage?
I just want to join it for the best.
But why do you have to do it upside down?
Because the other side is fragile.
Okay.
So you have to. So that's what wood covers. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope you understood what I did.
Yes, sir.
At times, in the course of doing your work, you may encounter what we call sap from a wood. So it's always that a case. You may decide to break off, but what you do is that you look for the elbow, the socket joint. You have to fabricate something that looks like
Yeah.
That's the word.